I like to think that the white sofa on my sets makes my guests feel comfortable, but sometimes it makes them a little too comfortable.
Can I remove my shoes? Because I'm feeling
All right, Andra.
I'm going to be sitting comfortably. This is going to be a long chat.
How cute is this? I love it. Okay.
Can I move the pillow?
Do what you want.
Oh, thanks. And I can't sit. I can't take it anymore. Ah, that's much better.
Please join me after a short break. You know, ये ad breaks काफी annoying हो सकते हैं, but shooting के दौरान these breaks are when my guests come up with some really quotable quotes. Of course, most of them think that the cameras are not rolling. So do come back after the break क्योंकि जैकी श्रॉफ के साथ मैं आपका
Yummy, Pooja.
What, Jackie?
Forgot what I added. मैं आपका yummy Pooja. Do you do puja every morning?
No, every night before I go to sleep. You must be doing puja too.
You know, I have a word for you, gorgeous.
Oh, Zayed.
I should have put that in.
You should have.
Can we put
But
that?
it's okay. You forgot to.
Do you think God has PMS?
I'm
Because
sure
I must
she
have been a
does.
result of that.
We are going to be divorcing you all for the next 5 minutes. We shall get back together.
Do you think I look more of a gangster or Arun Gauli?
You.
I'm not happy with this.
I know. I can see your
No,
face.
I didn't like the fact that I was put on the defensive and I'm not defensive about
Then
pastry
don't
normally.
be defensive. Honey,
I have
in
to
film.
say, these are the most beautiful legs I've ever seen, and I want to buy this chair. Can I get this chair?
You've only,
Give me 5, I got you.
you've only seen half my leg.
I was looking at the chair. Sorry, carry on.
Oh, sorry. I didn't get the joke.
How can we work with these people? And Indians don't have sense of humor. Even the chair is laughing and you're not laughing.
See, this kind of rawness in an interview is better.
Yeah.
You know, where take tag is very boring.
I'm exhausted. Oh. Okay, just
No.
10 minutes.
I'm not trying to put pressure.
Yes, you are.
I'm
but
totally
it's
fine.
okay. Just kidding.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Okay, what about manicure, pedicure and all?
I've actually done a pedicure,
Sure.
but like right now, take my shoes off.
No, it is not rolling. Show.
Show matlab, I can't
Show.
take
I
my
want to
shoes
see your
off.
pedicure.
I'll
That's the
take
sign of a
after-
metrosexual man, by the way.
After the show.
What is the definition of metrosexual?
Metrosexual is somebody who is
Bothered
very
about their
comfortable
physical
about
appearance.
his physical appearance, so he shaves his chest hair.
He wears necklaces.
That's not true.
Kunal, you just become the spokesperson for metrosexuals where they shave their chest.
I don't do that. Where she bring her down?
And you're showing it on yourself also.
No, but I've got chest hair.
Show.
Audiences को भी पता चलना चाहिए कि कितना distracting है.
Will not understand how I'm sitting here in this dress in front of you and you're getting distracted by my watch. पर जब कोई मेहमान बात करते करते अचानक अपनी दिल की बात कह दे, it makes for great TV.
19 साल की उम्र में मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं क्यों जिंदा हूँ, मैंने इस दुनिया में क्या किया, मैं मरने वाला हूँ, तब तक मैं क्या करूँगा, मेरे पास कितना वक्त है, वो सब अजीब अजीब ख्याल आने लगे.
You know, we all human beings, सब लोग कुछ ना कुछ गलत करते हैं लाइफ के अंदर. तो I don't say कि गलत मत करो, करो, लेकिन उतना ही करना जितना कि जब तुम पे आई तो तुम झेल सको.
मुझे याद है सुनील दत्त जी मुझे अपने कंधे पे बिठा के पूरे कारदार स्टूडियो में ले जाते थे और बोलते थे ये मेरी हीरोइन है, ये हमारी पिक्चर की हीरोइन है.
I was walking 6 inches high, believe me. I'd never thought a day would come when someone would want to call a program Harsha Ki Khoj. And I sat back quietly one day and said, is this really happening to me?
If I want to get back in the Indian team, I have to get a double 100. I have to get a triple 100. Then only I'll be reckoning for the Indian team. But I'll tell you one thing. I'll make it. I'll make it again.
कभी-कभी मुझे बहुत पैसे लोगों ने ऑफर किया, अभी भी बहुत पैसे ऑफर करते हैं, बहुत सी फिल्में ऑफर होती हैं, मगर मैं पैसों को ठुकरा देता हूँ.
In commercial cinema, शायद ज़्यादातर emphasis, importance males को दिया जाता है, लेकिन in
क्योंकि
parallel
लड़की तो
cinema
सेट पे
it's
आती
women.
नहीं है ना, वो तो वैन में बैठी रहती है मेकअप करते हुए.
That is such a cruel thing to say. Arjun, जितने भी actresses हैं, सब आप they're going to come
No, I
back
hope
you.
I hope they do because I keep begging them, please come, the shot is ready.
On the big screen, things are magnified so much more. So if you're not well groomed personally, it'll show on screen. I know so many people who look like they haven't had a bath when you see them on the big screen. That's very rude, but it's true.
मैंने कट नहीं बोला था. So Amir was just sitting there.
and the snake just went straight for him. And he kept sitting there. And the snake crawled up over him. And he still kept sitting there till the snake charmer actually ran and grabbed him out of the snake out of his legs. And everyone just clapped.
But the real shot, which was my frontal,
That's what I'm saying. With the camera,
is looking at me.
Yeah, looking at you, and then the train's coming at you, and then you jump out, and it's your front jumping.
That's
the real one.
That's the real one, and that the train missed me by 1.2 seconds, and I did 3 takes of that.
Let me introduce you to a very important object on my set. One that has had a lot to contribute towards the fun on this show. This bowl of sweets. What are you doing?
I have one.
You have one while I take a break. Break के बाद हम comic
And action.
Now that's your fault.
Pawan, don't
You.
do that now. Don't do continuity. And
Yeah.
action. Pawan, what are you doing?
I'm just doing my job as an actor. Continuity.
Sorry, is there something?
Jackie, don't you think that if people talk, sorry, we finished the talk about charity thing. What were we talking about?
ये बोल में डाल दूं वापस से चल बेटा वापस से
Cyrus, put the sweet back. And action.
It's like being in school. I can't do anything. They have a director here who's like a monster. They give me these
Brighter
sweets.
चाहिए.
Then they say don't have them. They're old. But why they kept the sweets here then?
Put the sweet down.
In case the button opens again.
Oh, you want?
Unless of course the girl's diabetic. That's another story. Let's go.
And
Yes.
action.
जस्ट पूजा पे आज इतना ही. आई होप इस स्पेशल एपिसोड को देखने में आपको उतना ही मजा आया जितना कि मुझे आपको दिखाने में. अगले हफ्ते the chat will carry on as usual with other interesting guests and some great topics. But till then, have fun.